thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So right here, starting lunchtime right now, figure I would show you guys a little demonstration of what I've been doing today. I forgot to show you the XTRIs yesterday at the end of the day because I'm stupid. So this is what the device looks like right here. Wiring it up, the reds on 1, the blacks on 2, the resistor on 4 and 5, and the signal wires on 6 and 7, which is going through here to the old device. And I'm just capping these off right now, stripped out, ready to go. Here's the old device. Basically just gonna take these off when it's time to switch over from the old fire alarm system to the new fire alarm system day of. Just gonna take these wires off and then wire nut them to where they go to. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this back in with like a screw or two right there, and then I'm gonna put this cover on right here. Here's the number for that, and there's a little blinking LED, so that just screws on there right there with these screws right here. And yeah, that's what I've been working on all day today. Also trying to find a meter, but that didn't exist. So anyways, working on these, finish these up by the end of the day, and yeah. So these boxes were already mounted, and these flexes were kind of just chilling here, so I just have to knock the knockout in, tighten it with the lock nut on the inside right there. That's pretty much it. So we're in walk test right now, so to accidentally set off the fire alarm, I have to evacuate the building. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna screw that back in. Looks like it's going up and down, so it's gonna go like back like that. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna put this back together, and I'm gonna go eat some lunch. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, just kidding, we're back. So I got the cover on there, got a couple screws on this guy, and you're gonna put the tile back in place, and that'll be it. Done and ready for the next one. All right, one thing I did forget to mention is I coiled up the fire alarm wire back up here, zip tied that to the bridle ring right there. I just kind of chucked it behind the little piece of sheetrock. But I did meter out the wires, the fire alarm wires, to make sure there's no ground faults with the continuity tester. And then also there's end of line resistor on it right now, so it checked to make sure there is resistance, which there was. So we're all good, no problems in the wire, and we're ready to go. And I'm gonna put my ceiling tile back up right now. All right, got the ceiling tile back up, and now I have to clean up the mess on the ground. Been using this Milwaukee brushless vacuum. It's actually really nice, much better than the older style. You got different attachments. This piece is missing right now. It's upstairs, I believe. But you got a bunch of different attachments. You have a low and a high setting. So if you want to be a little bit quieter, low still sucks pretty good. And the higher speed for more intense activities. So yeah, really like this, and I'm just gonna vacuum up all these little specks that I dropped, and the little piece of wire scrap right there, jacket. All right, got that all vacuumed up, and this handle is reversible, which is very cool. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for pretty much the rest of the day. So I figured I'd just upload this video early, get ahead on the videos. But anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, and I'm gonna keep on working on those for the rest of the day, and that's gonna do it. Peace.